The B-2 Spirit is invisible to radar, but what's even harder to see is how it's actually built. Behind locked hangars and strict security, one of the most advanced aircraft ever created is assembled in near total secrecy. This is the hidden manufacturing process of the B-2 Spirit. Unlike conventional bombers, the B-2 Spirit was never designed for speed or dogfighting. Every curve, every angle, every seam exists for one reason: to avoid being detected. That means manufacturing the B-2 isn't just about building an aircraft, it's about building invisibility. The B-2 is assembled inside highly controlled facilities where temperature, humidity, and lighting are carefully regulated. Even small environmental changes can affect stealth materials. Workers don't just follow blueprints, they follow security protocols as strict as those used in intelligence agencies. Phones are banned, cameras are forbidden, and access is limited to a select few. Unlike traditional aircraft made mostly from metal, the B-2 relies heavily on composite materials. These materials reduce radar reflection while maintaining strength and flexibility. Each panel must be aligned with extreme precision. A gap wider than a credit card could compromise the bomber's stealth. This level of accuracy pushes manufacturing to its limits. One of the most classified steps is the application of radar-absorbent materials. This coating isn't paint in the traditional sense. It's a layered system designed to absorb, scatter, and weaken radar signals. The process is time-consuming, labor-intensive, and requires constant inspection. Even minor imperfections can turn stealth into visibility. Inside the B-2's flying wing design lies a complex network of avionics, sensors, and wiring. Everything must fit within the aircraft without altering its radar signature. Maintenance access panels, antennas, and even screws are designed to stay invisible. This is engineering at its most unforgiving. Once assembled, the B-2 undergoes extensive testing, not just for flight performance, but for how it appears to radar systems. Specialized facilities measure how radar waves interact with the aircraft. If it fails to meet stealth requirements, it goes back for correction, no exceptions. The B-2 Spirit first flew decades ago, yet its manufacturing process remains one of the most protected in the world. Because stealth isn't just technology, it's discipline, precision, and absolute control. And as long as the B-2 remains invisible, the factory that builds it must remain hidden as well. If you want more behind-the-scenes stories of secret aircraft and military technology, subscribe for more, because some machines are never meant to be seen, until now.